Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we make mandazi. If you've clicked for the first time, kindly subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. On to today's recipe. For this recipe, we have used self-raising flour, 600 grams. Then we added 6 tablespoons of sugar. Continue to add the sugar. If you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell. We added a pinch of salt to taste. We added cardamons. I usually don't measure the quantity for cardamons, and mixed evenly. You can also use cinnamon. So for the wet ingredients, we used 2 eggs. We added 1.5 cups of milk and mix the ingredients evenly. You can use an electric mixer or just a hand mixer like I did. Then we added 1.25 tablespoons of margarine. You can use butter, whichever you have, or even cooking oil. Mix them evenly. I usually prefer to mix by hand rather than using a mixer. Ensure that the margarine stroke the butter mixes well with the flour. Then also ensure that the wet ingredients are well mixed before you can add them now together with the dry ingredients. Kindly ensure you give this video a thumbs up and share with your family and friends so they can also try the recipe. To the dry ingredients, create a well and add the wet ingredients, gradually mixing. Once again, you can either use an electric mixer or a hand mixer or even your hands. A friend of mine said they prefer mangumi, so you can do your mangumi and mix them well. Continue mixing, and as you can see, our flour was less than the quantity that was required for the ingredients, so we added some flour to ensure that the dough is soft but not sticky. So you continue mixing, continue kneading the dough until it's even. Of course, at this point, if you have not subscribed, kindly favor us with your subscription. It is free. Also give this video a thumbs up, comment and share. Now, as you can see, our dough is ready. We need to put it aside for like 2 hours to allow it to bloom. Once again, if you have come across this channel for the first time or you have been watching without subscribing, kindly favor us with your subscription by subscribing down below and hit the notification bell so you are alerted when we upload a video. Kindly also watch our previous videos. You'll find them on the videos section on the channel or the specific playlists which are specified under the playlist icon. 2 hours later and our dough is ready. Kindly also visit our community tab on the channel, which has regular updates twice or several times a week, and keep yourself updated with what is happening on the channel. In the recent past, YouTube has introduced an icon for channel membership. I'm sure you have seen an icon showing join below on the channel or just below the video. Special packs which are offered if you join the group, and you get to pay a premium which is indicated. Our lowest premium is about $1.49. So if you can kindly support the channel, kindly hit the join button and join the family. As you can see, we are now getting ready to make the mandazi. We don't use flour to spread the mandazi. We use the oil so that the dough does not get dry. For the sprayer that I'm using, kindly, if you need one, kindly DM or comment down below. If you need any other household items, Kindly also comment down below. We are soon launching our online shop, which we shall be communicating in a few weeks. To check whether the oil is hot, you put a mwiko, or if we call it wooden spoon, to check if it is hot. Like you can see, it is not yet hot, but when it bubbles up, it indicates that the oil is hot and we are now ready to cook. We are now adding our mandazis. As you can see, we decided to make different shapes. Just to recap on the channel membership, down below this video you'll see a blue icon, join. If you'd like to support the channel, kindly click on the icon to join the channel membership. As you can see, our mandazis are getting ready, brown, looking delicious, and I can tell you for sure they were delicious. You can also continue supporting the channel by watching our videos, liking, sharing, and commenting. Sometimes we have more than one video per week. We have maybe Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Kindly hit the notification bell so you get notified. As you can see, our mandazis are ready, brown and super delicious. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your continued support. Keep it here for more videos. See, our mandazis are super delicious.